In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer email from one Google Workspace account to another. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, let's start by navigating to Google Workspace. This is the hub where all administrative functions for your business's digital environment are managed. Once you're there, you need to locate and click on the admin console. This console is where you'll have access to different administrative settings and utilities. With the admin console open, the next step is to log in using your business email. It's crucial you use an administrative account for this process to ensure you have the necessary permissions. After successfully logging in, pay attention to the top right side of your screen. You should see the Google Apps menu there. Go ahead and click on that. In the drop-down, search for the admin icon and click on it. This will take you to another panel where you can manage different components of your Google Workspace. Our goal here is to reroute emails, so let's head over to the Apps section. If you're having trouble finding it, it might be under the same menu you just accessed. Once in the Apps section, you'll need to click on Google Workspace. This brings up a list of all the different Google apps associated with your business account. From this list, find Gmail. It's where we'll configure the email routing settings. Click on it to move forward. Upon entering the Gmail settings, scroll down and you should find an option called Routing. Click on Routing, as this is where the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the Configure button. This is where you'll specify how emails will move between accounts. In the email routing settings, look for an option labeled Inbound under Email Messages to Effect. Make sure to check this box. This tells Gmail which types of messages this rule should apply to. Next, scroll down a bit further until you find the Also Deliver To section. Here you'll need to check the box and add the recipient details for the account you wish to forward emails to. After adding the correct recipient, proceed to click on Add. This action confirms where the emails will be redirected. You'll then be prompted to type in the email address within your organization to which you want the emails transferred. Make sure you enter the email address correctly, as any errors could result in emails not being redirected properly. Finally, after ensuring everything is accurate, click on Save. This action will finalize the routing settings and set the transfer process in motion. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up email transfer from one Google Workspace account to another. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you found this guide helpful.